Intelligence. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Deepa, HOD of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at Kalinganagar Karnataka Institute of Technology. Welcome to the course Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. In this video, we are going to learn about the introduction related to artificial intelligence. So this is the outline of my presentation, why artificial intelligence becomes more popular and what are the uses of AI in our day-to-day life and applications. So first, to start with artificial intelligence, which is of two words, artificial and intelligence. Let's know what is intelligence. So intelligence involves various mental abilities like logical reasoning, problem solving and planning. So by seeing this picture, we come to know humans have been developing the machines which makes their lives easier. So life without the machines, nowadays we cannot imaginable because of this we humans have been putting efforts into making them even more sophisticated and smart. So at a result, we are surrounded by the smart devices, gadgets like smart TV, smart watches, smartphones, etc. Yes. So, but what makes them as smart? So, today's mobile can be do much more than just calling up. Previously, we are doing only for calling purpose only and texting. Nowadays, please do you think that how many work we are doing with the help of smartphones. Even we can maintain a record of our health and fitness too. So, these drastic technological and advancement leads us to recognize the one key, that is artificial intelligence. So, the best difference between the artificial intelligence and smart machines is that smart machines are pre-programmed and the output is already determined. Example, automatic washing machines. On the other hand, artificially intelligent machines are also programmed but to make their own decisions. That here output is not fixed, whereas the program that is smart machines, the program output as a fixed one. Here it is not like that. So the output is not fixed one. Machine thinks cognitively and take their decisions. So why artificial intelligence? So with the help of AI, we can create software or devices which can solve our real world problems in a easier way, and it will give a better accuracy related to our health issues, marketing, traffic issues, etc. So AI can be used to create personalized virtual assistants. We see today around us like Google Assistant, Alexa, Cortana, etc. So AI robots can work in life-threatening situations as in the military, mining, and etc. So these bots are not just working, but they think and analyze and then evaluate the situation. So AI opens a path for every new other technologies or other new devices and new opportunities. So this is the uses of applications of AI. So the AI it will be used in almost all the field, right from the healthcare to transport, agriculture, education, e-commerce, entertainment, robotics, automotive, social media, data security, finance, gaming, astronomy, all the places AI plays a major role. So what are the uses of AI in our day-to-day life? So first one is the most familiar one as Google search. In the last 3-4 years, Google uses AI on Google search to improve the ranking on their websites. So how can I say, it's giving a recommendations based on the specific part of video, based on our search query, the search recommendation it will display it to you. So the readily suggested questions and answers also it will be available in there. The next one is Gmail. Okay. So the Gmail smart compose is there. While composing the mail, you come to know that AI suggests a sentence based on the based on the preceding line that we have written. So apart from that, the conceptual accuracy, correct grammar, quick replies are also included. See here, When I'm typing here, it will be giving how are you, so it will correct the grammar you, why were you, like that it will give. Sometimes based on the previous reply what you gave, it will suggest a sentence also. So this is second uses in our day-to-day life. The next one is a Google Recorder. This is nothing but speech reduction. Even without internet connectivity, it describes the speech into the text. The next fourth example as Google Lens and OCR is another example offered by Google, which is built on AI only. Just we need to point the camera into the text or an animal or a plant or any type of thing. It can detect the type of subjects and it will give precise information about that. The next famous one is image editing tools. So another famous app we are using in our life. With the help of AI, we can remove the background of an image, or we can remove the noises also. So that type of features it will be available in the image editing. Then the next one is Apple smartwatches. It has one feature which is called the fall detection feature, which alerts a nearby emergency team when it senses you had a hot fall. The next one is a Google Assistant. So if you are using smartphone, then you are interacting with AI. Another that is whether you will know it or not. This is our virtual assistant by Google. So just you are talking, and based on that it will be giving the assistance to you. The next one is smart cars. The smart cars and drones. So a very good example is a Tesla car here, the popular brand today. So it has the autopilot features and full self-driving capabilities through software updates. If you are using social media, one more AI in our life. If you are using social media, most of your decisions, the timelines, smileys or the timeline commands, everything it will be based on the impact of by AI only. So from these feeds you see in your timeline to the notification that you will receive from these apps, everything is covered by the AI only. So another one is music and media streaming service. Based on our search, the next time when you are hitting a play or when you are playing a particular information, or when you are playing a music, it will give you a recommended video on YouTube or watching a show on Netflix. So you are actually viewing as on our AI recommendation only. So the next one is video games like popular race games, Free Fire, Fortune all are based AI only. The next one is online ad. Nowadays the companies uses AI is not only to track our statistics but also serve as ads based on these statistics. So without AI, only ad industry will not, how can I say, without AI, online industry will just fail. So when we are travel in one place to the other place, we are going to, if you know the map, okay, that is if you know the travel route, that is okay. If you don't know the travel route, then you are depending the Google map or Apple map for navigating your path. So based on this is also one example of AI only. So the another interesting fact now, today you please go and check with two mobiles, with one is having 90 to 100% battery charge and another one is having less than 20% battery charge. Use both the mobiles to book the taxi in any X or Y company. You may not have same price for the same distance, because taxi booking software observes and tells the battery is low, and because of that they increase the rate, which means definitely you are going to book the ticket. It's another one service, that is another one because of the AI, because the your battery condition is low, in the sense there is no other way you are going to book the ticket. So such a kind of things you can experience in next one is banking and finance. So we have fraud detection, resource management, customer data management, making prediction about new policies, risk involved, Even you are opening a bank website, the bottom will have a chat bar, may help you, can I help you, like some sort of pop-up notification it will come. The basic information what you want to know it or what the query you are having. If you are typing in the chat bar, it will give you the information related to that. If you are satisfying that information, you need to go to the bank for clearing such a kind of information, so that what they are providing, the bank which is minimizing their customers work related to these kind of basic informations. Rather, they are utilizing the resources of the potentially uses the manpower in an effective way. This is another one thing. The next is security surveillance, which is used to detect the object, smartphone, keyboards, healthcare. So in healthcare, because of AI powered machines, it is easier to detect diseases and diagnosis. And the next one is a smart keyboard apps, which is easily you can track and just like mapping of the words, you can do that. The next one is a healthcare. So healthcare, even here, because of AI powered machine, it is easier to detect the diseases, that is using the medical image analysis, drug discovery of a particular one. Easily we can find it out. The next one is e-commerce. So AI provide more personalized experience through the recommendation systems. So without knowing how AI is integrated in our day-to-day life, we are using in many applications. So thank you.